In this episode of Remote Trigonometry, we'll be doing an example about work. Work in terms of physics is energy, and it's equal to force times a distance. So if you apply a force but you don't move anything at all, you have done no work. If you move something a long way but with a little bit of force, you do some work. If you move something a short distance with a lot of force, you still do some work. So the definition of work is force applied over a distance, and that gives you kind of an amount of energy expended. Here we have a lady, and she's mowing the lawn. She's pushing downward with a force of 40 newtons. Newtons is a scientific measurement of force. And she's making a 39-degree angle with the ground. So not all of that 40 newtons is being applied in pushing the lawnmower horizontal. Some of that is applied just in a downward vertical force. So the amount of energy that's actually in the direction that the mower is going to move is going to be related to the fact that the 40 is the magnitude of this right triangle, and the lawnmower is going to be moving along the ground, and that side is adjacent to that 39-degree angle. So we're going to use cosine of 39 degrees is equal to the adjacent side, which is the direction we want to move, over the hypotenuse, which is the 40. So if I multiply 40 times cosine of 39 degrees, I get the adjacent side, which is the direction of the motion. And if you type that in your calculator, make sure that you are in degree mode, we end up getting a horizontal force of approximately 31.1 newtons. So that's how much of her 40 newton force is being applied in the horizontal direction that the mower is going to move. Now, if she pushed it the length of the lawn, which was 50 meters, say she pushed it 50 meters, then 50 meters times the horizontal force is going to give us a total amount of work of 1,554.3 newtons of work just to go one length of the lawn. Now, if she had to do, say, 24 passes to completely mow the lawn, then she would be doing that amount of work 24 times. So 24 times the 1,554.3 newtons would give us a total amount of work of 37,303. And the unit for work is a Newton meter, a Newton times meter, because you're multiplying a length of meters by an amount of force of newtons. So each pass, she's making about 1,500 Newton meters of work. If she had to make 24 passes to mow the whole lawn, she'd make 37,303 Newton meters of work. So the next time you're mowing the lawn, you can think about the physics of how much work you were doing.